Now let's see how Precisely can mitigate these address-related issues and streamline the data process. As we saw, businesses often struggle with inaccurate addresses, which can lead to various operational challenges such as failed deliveries, customer dissatisfaction, and increased costs due to returns and reshipments. These issues can significantly impact a company's efficiency and customer relations. Precisely can address these challenges through its comprehensive geo-addressing solutions, which includes geocoding, address verification, and address autocomplete. Now, if we talk about geocoding, so geocoding is the process of converting address information into geographic coordinates, that is latitude and longitude, and vice versa through reverse geocoding. This allows businesses to map addresses to physical location, facilitating precise delivery, routing, territory management, and location-based analytics. For instance, a business can determine the exact location of a customer for better service delivery or optimize logistics by mapping out the most efficient routes for deliveries. Now, address verification is essential for ensuring that addresses are valid and deliverable. It confirms the accuracy of postal information specific to each country, helping to avoid common issues like undeliverable mail and misrouted packages. Now, by verifying addresses at the point of entry, businesses can reduce the incidence of errors, improve delivery success rates, and maintain a clean, reliable customer database. This process involves checking the address against authoritative postal databases to ensure it is correctly formatted and exists as a deliverable location. Then we offer address autocomplete, which is also known as our type ahead service, which enhances the address entry process by predicting and suggesting complete addresses as user begins typing. This feature uses input text and location context as an input to generate a list of possible addresses. This not only speeds up the data entry process, but also minimizes the risk of errors as users are guided to select valid addresses from the suggestions provided. Address autocomplete helps improve user experience on website and applications by making the form filling processes quicker and more intuitive. So you start with your data where it is located, or perhaps it is being captured online. Precisely provides global geo-addressing coverage, and by integrating these geo-addressing solutions, businesses can significantly improve their data accuracy and operational efficiency. Now, as you can see, here is a parcel boundary, and within this parcel, you have multiple buildings. And within these buildings, you'll have a number of addresses. Precisely points to each addressable location. Now, once you have an addressable location with accurate location coordinates, you may want to add value to the data. We make data enrichment fast and easy with a unique identifier, the PreciselyID, which makes linking your data with additional data sets very fast and easy. So PreciselyID is a unique and persistent identifier that may be used as a substitute for an address. Just as the fingerprint removes ambiguity about a person's identity, an identifier solves questions about an address by providing a unique and consistent reference. PreciselyID facilitates joining or linking multiple internal databases. The problem with using address to link databases is that there are multi-field labels for an addressable location, as we saw. And as we saw, that each attribute of an address is owned and maintained by different entities. So using a single entity as an identifier is much more efficient and less error-prone than using an entire address. So with this PreciselyID, you can link over 9,000 attributes which are spread across different data sets. Some of our data sets are address fabric, risk data, property attributes, geotax data, information about buildings, businesses, and parcels, and much more. These attributes help companies fill data-related gaps and help them make efficient business decisions. Precisely updates this data on a regular basis to keep you in line with the latest trends in our data. The PreciselyID allows customers to access what could be seen traditionally as quite difficult tasks to deal with a very fast and straightforward process.